Hello everyone, in this video we're going to take a little look at this neon penguin which I purchased from John Lewis for £35. John Lewis is meant to be a bit of an upmarket store here in the UK. I don't normally purchase things from them, and after their recent performance I can see why. So yeah, this was a little bit pricey, £35, but it's more of a Christmas decoration. But I thought, you know, penguin, Linux channel, yeah, it's not quite a tux, is it though? But, well, you can see the height of it. Yeah, this whole box is like one torso length. It doesn't say the actual measurements on it, but we will have a look. So as far as the box goes, we just got indoor and outdoor penguin multicoloured neon LED light. Yeah, LEDs. It's a LED tube, not a neon tube. And what we got, 8 meters wire length, transformer indoor use. Yeah, these lights are non-replaceable LEDs. Warning, do not connect this light to supply whilst in packaging. Well, I'd like to know how they intend I do that, because I can't even get to the plug in this thing. Anyway, whatever. So as far as the boxing goes, we've got a couple of tabs there. Let's get that top open, and it's here, isn't it? So that is the penguin with the 8 meters of cable wrapped around there. It's very thin cabling. So the transformer, yeah, one of these outdoor types, you can unscrew it, and then I think, yeah, that will disconnect from there. And there it is switched on. And obviously in the dark it doesn't really do it justice with this camera. But as far as construction goes, well, this is an LED tube. This is multicolour LED, so yeah, it's a very rubberised feeling there. And it's mounted on a thin metal support, obviously with a nice eye hole there, so I could hang that up on the wall, which is what I'm intending to do there. But yeah, they really went to town with these cable ties though. Bloody hell, they are everywhere. Have they never tried gluing this thing on? Taping it in? No, we have cable ties. Wow, that's just really poor. Certainly not worth £35 anyway. There's a bit of a spring and a give at the bottom of that. So, as far as measurements go, that is about 60 centimetres in height, or 2 foot in ye olde English. And across is about 35 centimetres, or 14 inches. Now let's take a close-up view. So that is a look at this LED penguin which I purchased from John Lewis for £35. Perhaps I regret my purchase a little bit, but that was a little impulse buy for Christmas. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later.